for fear.
Well, first it's Frazsiers Whip. That's a team that everybody fears to play, but it's a team I'm dying to play against.
On Saturday at 3 p.m., the battle begins. Arnett Gardens, a club carrying expectation to step back into familiar territory, but standing in their way, Los Perfectos, fearless, relentless, hungry to create their own destiny.
We'll look at some of Arnett games for sure. I'm pretty sure they will look at some of ours as well. I'm pretty sure they'll be up for it this year and we'll be better prepared this time.
Their mission is the CFU, and to get to the CFU you have to win this.
Then at 6 p.m., when the sun begins to fall, the intense beginning of a new rivalry rises. Only excellence, discipline, dominance will be good enough. Frazsiers Whip faces first-timers Real Mona, who's driven by ambition, belief, and the dream of shaking the balance of power. A place in the final, hanging in the balance.
And I know Coach Courtney Dowdy will be saying, how are we going to get past this Real Mona side? Yes, he might have the quality, but we have the heart.
We have a goal in mind as always, and this year is to go out there and defend our title.
Two fierce semi-finals. Who takes control? Who cracks under pressure? The first leg of the Jamaica Women's Premier League semi-finals kicks off at the Captain Horace Ball Center of Excellence. The tension begins here. The chase for glory begins now.